Set up and use a Scan to Network folder in Windows 11 with the HP OfficeJet Pro 9010, 9010E, 9020, and 9020E all-in-one printer series. Step 1. Create a shared network folder. Set up a shared folder from a Windows computer that can be accessed by other users or devices on the network. Right-click in the location where you want to create the folder, select New, and then select Folder. Right-click the newly created folder and then select Properties. Select the Sharing tab at the top of the window and then click the Share button. In the Choose People to Share With window, select the drop-down menu and choose Everyone. Then click Add. Set the permission level to Read/Write and then click Share. In the Network Discovery and File Sharing pop-up window, you can select Public Networks or Private Network Access. The Folder Properties menu should now list the network path in the Network File and Folder Sharing section. Make note of the network path as you will use this path when sharing the folder with users or devices. Step 2. Set up Scan to Network. Make sure the printer is connected to the same network as your computer, and then search for and open the HP Smart App in Windows. If you do not have the HP Smart App installed, you can download it from 123.hp.com or search for it in the App Store. On the home page of the HP Smart App, select your printer to open the Options menu. On the left-hand side of the window, select Advanced Settings under Settings to open the Embedded Web Server, or EWS for short. At the top of the EWS, click the Scan tab to go to Scan Settings. Click Scan to Network Folder, and then click Network Folder Setup. Click OK. Click the new folder icon, enter a display name, and then enter the network path to the scan folder from earlier. Click Next to continue. Under Login Authentication options, select Always use the following credentials. Under Authorization Requirements, enter your computer username and password. If you want to restrict scanning to the network folder from this printer, add a security pin under the Security Pin options. Click Next to continue. Select any desired default scan settings on the following window, and then click Save and Test. If a minus sign in a red circle is displayed, the folder is unavailable. Click Edit to adjust the settings until the red circle no longer displays. Click OK after the successful test, and then close the EWS window. Step 3. Scan to a network folder from the printer control panel. Place the original document on the scanner glass or into the automatic document feeder. On the printer control panel, touch Scan and then touch Network Folder. For the Select Network Folder option, select the folder you want to receive the scan. You will need to enter a PIN if one was created earlier. To change scan settings, touch the Settings icon. Adjust the Save As and File Name fields as needed. And then press Send. The scan will appear in the Network Scan folder that was initially created. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.